Ugh, there's sand in my flip-flops. It's so obnoxious. That's it. I'm taking them off. I just need to take them with me. Oh, this day was supposed to be fun, not frustrating. Whoa! Look what he did with the sandals! Why didn't I think of that? This party is pretty great. One sec, I just need a drink. Hey, you want me to top you off? Ooh, it's so breezy! Stay in place, skirt! No! The drinks and food! It's too windy here. Let's go. Wait! Don't go! I have a solution! Promise! Might as well give him a chance. What am I gonna do? They'll all leave! There's gotta be something I can do. Come on! Think of something! I'm running out of time! Wait. Was that a muffin pan? This will totally work! Hey! I'm back! And I've got party trays! See? Now the wind can't blow anything away. Wow! This is really smart! You totally saved this party! Ah, it's beach time. Let's go! Catch this throw! You're doing great running in that water and hitting that ball! Beach day selfie! Ah, the sun is so warm. Oh, everything hurts. Ugh, don't touch me! My sunburn is too bad to touch you. What are we gonna do? Wait, I think I know what to do. We have this aloe vera plant. We can use this to help treat our sunburn. I'll use a knife to carefully slice off the skin. Oh yeah, look at all that aloe gel. A spoon will scoop it all up. Perfect, just like that. And now to put it in the blender. Lid on and time to blend it. There we go. Not too long at all. It's more liquidy, so now I can pour it in an ice cube tray. Just like that. And of course, there's the next step. Freezing it. The aloe ice cubes are ready! Okay, you watching? Check this out! It's cooling and healing. Aloe is great for burns. Look at that! My skin is so much better already! No way! Hand that over! We have a whole tray. You can have your own. Oh my gosh. Summer camping is so fun! Especially when you've got a fun picnic, too. Time for a drink break. I sleep so soundly when out in nature. Ooh, is that me? I stink! Hey, that will help me get clean. I'll just hang this bag of water on the tree branch, give it a little poke, and then with some shampoo, I'm having an outdoor shower. What's he doing over there? Huh. You look nice and clean. Here, enjoy a Coke. Hey! Ready to go into the water? Oh wait! Hold up a second. We can't just leave our stuff unattended. Someone could totally steal our money. You're right. We better go check on it. There it is. Looks like my cash is still here. What are we gonna do, though? Hey! I think this brush can help. Watch! The bristle part can pop out. All I have to do is fold and roll the money. Then it'll fit right inside the brush. And then I can put the bristles back. See? I can even still brush my hair. Hey! Brush mine too! A fluffy dog! Hello, puppers! I'm gonna brush you! Aw, you're so good! Doesn't that feel nice? Look at all that fur! It totally still works as a brush! Ew! Well, yeah, don't brush your hair with that anymore. But good job hiding the money! Now we can finally go swimming! They're gone! Time to steal some money! Shoot! There's nothing in here! What about this? Gross! So much hair! I'm outta here! It's so nice out today. I'm gonna have a nice afternoon. Just relaxing, soaking up the sun, and reading my book. Wow. It's actually getting pretty warm out here. Selfie! And snack time. Oof. It's just so hot. I could use something sweet after those chips. Oh no! My chocolate melted! Oh, and my Sprite bottle is too hot to hold! Man, this kinda ruins my afternoon. Though maybe there's something I could do. Okay, I've got my tub, and I'll put some foil in the bottom. This is insulating foil, too. It keeps hot things hot. And cold things cold. There! I've lined the whole tub. Next up, it's sponge time! I've got it in a bag, and I'll add some water. I'll just close that up. Now it's time to put it in the freezer. It'll get nice and frozen in there. It's ready! I'll put it in the tub with the rest of them. This book is so good! But it's still hot out here. Time for a cold drink. So refreshing. My homemade cooler worked! What a beautiful park! I'm so glad I decided to take a walk. What was that? Oh, shoot. My ice cream melted on my clothes. What? And I sat in gum? So irritating. Guess there's nothing to do. I'll have to change. Let's see. Is there anywhere to change? Of course not. I guess I'll just have to change out here. I don't want anyone to see me, though. I'll just slide one leg up, then pull it through to the other leg. Okay, now for the other foot. Perfect. Clean shorts are in place. Which means I can now take off my dirty shorts. There we go. I'm back in clean clothes. Would you rather hang out on the beach or at a pool? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.